Hello guys, in this video I want to quickly show you how to create a new folder on your Mac. So here I am on my desktop and there's a few ways we can go about creating a new folder. The easiest way to do it is go to the top left and go File, New Folder, and that will appear over here, and you can see this is the new one because it's got Untitled Folder. We can then rename this whatever we like. Now that's already taken, so we can rename it by double clicking or right clicking and renaming it to test 2. Now, the other way we can go about making a new folder on Mac is by right clicking and selecting new folder. Once again, then you can see that in here, and we can drag that into that folder there, and you'll see that will be moved across. Now, if you have a folder like this one that has several items in it and you want to create a folder with these items, you can select these by dragging them and right clicking and select a new folder with selection, and then that will create a new folder with those items inside of it.